Say not a lot of people do their research and think about demographics as it relates to real estate investing. Birth rate, death rate, urbanization, globalization. These are things you have to think about with real estate investing. Here's the thing. If there are more persons moving into a particular city, you want to buy real estate in that city before the trend catches on and the property prices go up. If you find that the demographics in a particular area are such that whole pile of older people are there, that means, hey, we could see a lot of turnover in properties. We may have a lot of estate sales coming, and so you can look at that as your investing strategy. Also, urbanization. There are some areas that, used to be in a city community or undervalued communities one time, and they're now being gentrified. And so the new properties, the renovations, the constructions in that area are helping to drive the prices of real estate up. You want to do your research, you want to get in early, because this is where you're able to lock in major profits when it comes to real estate investing.